Have you ever dreamt of living in a golf course community with a lake view? Then this is the video for you. We're at Whitewater Creek Golf Course, 18 holes, par 72. Welcome to Married in Real Estate. I'm Matthew Dalke of the Dalke Home Group, and we have a top performing real estate team south of Atlanta. Today we're at our newest listing, priced at $1,248,000. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful. It's 380 Birkdale Drive, Fayetteville, Georgia, Whitewater Creek Country Club. We are in Fayetteville, Georgia, but we are literally right next to Peachtree City, which features all of the golf cart paths, 100+ miles of golf cart paths that connect every single village, every school, every shopping center. Speaking of schools, this is Stars Mill School District, which is shared by parts of Fayetteville, South Peachtree City, and Brooks. And this neighborhood actually is a gated community. You will not find that in Peachtree City, and you almost won't find that anywhere in Fayetteville. This neighborhood is very unique, where it features homes from the late 80s to the mid 90s, all the way up to the 2015, 2018 range. So you have a little mix of everything. And when we look around, I see these big, beautiful, lush trees. So I love this part about this neighborhood. It also has amazing amenities. There is a huge Olympic pool. There is a tennis, pickleball, clubhouse, fitness center, and of course the country club, which is part of the invited golf community. And there is a really good restaurant there, probably just a minute from here. So you don't have to go very far to catch a meal. This neighborhood also features multiple lakes, and the HOA actually owns the lakes, not the golf course. So you'll definitely get to use them to fish, paddleboard, kayak. Speaking of lakes, this house sits on the golf course and has beautiful lake views. This house was built in 1996. It is so unique, European. I feel like we're in like a French Italian village, which I love. The multiple staircases up. It is also a very large house. You're at 4,632 square feet above grade, and the rest of the square footage is the terrace level. So on the first 2 floors, you have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. In the terrace, you have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living room area, a workout area, a dry sauna. It is like nothing that we have ever showed you. Now let's let the house do the rest of the talking. Let's take a look. As soon as you walk in, you are graced by a 20-foot plus ceilings, a massive chandelier. The wrought iron detailing up the staircase is absolutely phenomenal. And it is accompanied by a matching beautiful dark tone wood. The floors have been sanded and restained. They are absolutely elegant. The wood floors are throughout the entire first and second level. The formal living room has high ceilings, windows with a lot of natural light, and just really a nice space to hang out. The great thing is it flows into the formal dining room. This is the largest formal dining room I've ever seen. I feel like we could have a family of 20 people sitting in here, which is great for Thanksgiving dinner, large parties, New Year's Eve. And you have this gorgeous, picturesque window looking out to the views of nature and the golf course. Let's not forget about the wood detailing in this room, the elegant fireplace, the coffered ceilings, just the baseboards. All of the details in this room really shine. These chandeliers are so elegant, and they really carry through the entire first level of the home. Even the sconces have crystals, so those crystals tie into all of the light fixtures throughout the main level. This family room is quite a place to hang out, whether it's watching your favorite football game or movie, and you have French doors that all lead you to this fantastic covered porch with a grill area, again looking out to the golf course, the lake. Even the detailing of the fans outside on the porch give you a nice resort feel. It's very relaxing, and it is connected perfectly to the breakfast area and the kitchen. The kitchen has been redone. I love this kitchen. It has quartz countertops, custom arabesque backsplash, double ovens. I know we talk about double ovens for great holidays, Thanksgiving, entertaining. You always have to have double ovens. Built-in microwave. Everything is stainless steel, commercial grade, refrigerator. There's even a trash compactor in this kitchen. The kitchen also has a massive pantry, so that's going to be a great little storage area, and there is even a door going outside, so it's nice and convenient to come in and out if you didn't want to use the garage. There is no lack of cabinet space in this kitchen. So if you're someone who's really into baking or cooking, you're gonna love this space. And of course, every house has to have a half bath, so it's conveniently located from the living, the family room, and the kitchen. The primary suite is upstairs, and wow, you have high voltage ceilings, a lot of wood detailing. We have benches looking out to, again, the golf course, the lake views. And we are on our third fireplace of the 4 in this house. This master bathroom will absolutely blow you away. Starting with the double vanity, you have a lot of cabinet space for all of your beauty accessories. The stone countertops are a really nice accent to what all the other color palettes going on in this bathroom. There is a jacuzzi soaking tub, so after a long day, you will really enjoy relaxing there. The French resembling glass above the soaking tub is just an extra detail to this bathroom. Speaking of details, the tile surrounding the soaking tub just ties in really nicely. The walk-in shower is like being at a day spa. You have these beautiful tile wall. The rock detailing, again, makes you feel like you're at a day spa. The rain shower, and then 2 additional shower heads. This owner's closet is a dream. This is like the size of any normal bedroom. You have these beautiful built-ins. There's plenty of space for an island. You can have a little seating area in here. And I've never seen this. You have a recessed built-in ironing board. How cool is that? 2 additional bedrooms on the 2nd floor, one with a really cool built-in bookcase, and it's shared by a Jack and Jill, what we like to call plus bath. So each bedroom has its own sink. And if you don't want to use one of the rooms as a bedroom, it would be a really cool office or a library. If you're a big reader, I cannot imagine being able to hang out in this space. And there is even a window that looks out to the lake and the golf course. As we enter the terrace level, you'll really see all of the arch details and the wrought iron, and it just flows nicely downstairs. When we enter the terrace level, there are so many spaces down here. So when we first come down on the left, you have a really cool workout area with mirrors. There is even a dry sauna. So after your workouts, you can hop in the dry sauna, or adjacent, there is a bathroom with a steam shower. There are 2 bedrooms down here, both en suites with their own bathrooms. So this is really a great multi-generational house. So if you have anyone visiting, they have their own space down here in the terrace level. They will love it. Because we have so many rooms and bedrooms upstairs, you really can use the terrace level for all sorts of options. This is our 3rd living space of the house, and yes, you've guessed, our 4th fireplace. There is so much space here to have a movie room, a billiards room, a game room, so we have a lot of options down here. We even have a little wet bar. There is even a whole house vac system throughout, making vacuuming and cleaning very convenient. There are 3 sets of French doors that walk out to the covered space, so another great entertaining area. I think it would be so cool to put a pool out here, and then you just walk out, you've got this beautiful pool that would be overlooking the golf course. That's definitely what I would do. Wow, this house really does not disappoint. Every time I walk into it, I'm just in awe over all of the details. I think a lot of the stuff here in Georgia we see just has normal openings, normal case openings, where here you're walking through and you're seeing all these beautiful arches. The owner has opened up walls so you see it has a nice flow to it. The formal living room, dining room area is something out of a storybook, and if you're an entertainer, I cannot imagine having that space. the cozy family room area, fireplace, looks out to the golf course, the built-in grill. So if you're entertaining, you have people out, the gorgeous wrought iron when you first walk in. So if you are interested in getting a tour, please reach out to us, call, send me a text, and we will be so excited to set up an appointment and show you this beautiful home. Whether it's this home or any home in the South Atlanta area, we are here to help you find your dream home. Be sure to comment what your favorite part or your favorite feature of this home was, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.